So here we'll go back to the controversies out there. Those who believe that we are going to have, a problem with inflation and interest rates believe that this metric, the S&P 500 divided by gold, is peaking out now and is going to roll over much like it did during the 70s. We disagree with that, as I think I've made clear. And you can see the market is trying to figure this out. It's in a holding pattern here. So we're watching this very carefully. And here is the S&P relative to oil prices. You can see on this score, the S&P is winning. Historically, boosts and soaring crude oil prices have led to recessions. They are not soaring now. And in fact, with what's going on in the Middle East, it could be with Iran not sounding as inflammatory, perhaps, that there will be a different attitude as this administration takes office once again. And we would submit that oil production in the U.S., if we do get that extra 3 million barrels, is going to weigh on the oil price going forward and be good for the S&P 500. And then finally, we'll land on this very important metric, Bitcoin, the Bitcoin price relative to gold, the gold price. You can see it broke out at the end of last year. It's testing now. We have seen the gold price go up recently, and the Bitcoin price, while it broke through 100 to, I think we got to 108,000, it's come in a bit, and makes sense that it'll be testing a breakout. As you know, we believe that the Bitcoin price has miles to go for all kinds of reasons that we will delineate in our Big Ideas report. Our Big Ideas report will be out in a few weeks, and in that report you'll see how we get to our Bitcoin price forecast. We are in print, the bull case being 1.5 million. And while we have changed the way in which we get there, we do believe we're going to get there, especially given this administration's sponsorship of Bitcoin. It may even end up as part of Treasury's reserves. So if we're right also that the gold price is unlikely to move out of control in the inflationary environment, meaning disinflationary environment that we see, then Bitcoin will be responding more to its role as a technology and a new asset class than to its role, like gold, as a store of value. And it should continue to pull away from gold in the years ahead.